Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Laie, local and long distance movers near me. Moving to a new location has always been difficult, apart from all the emotions you have to bear, but you also have to handle the stress of moving all your goods to your new location. But moving your goods is much tougher than carrying just yourself to the new location. Goods like a piano, dishwasher, etc. can give you a pretty hard time. You are required to have all the skills and tools in order to move all your goods on time and without any damage. Hence, it's always recommended to leave it to the professionals like 3 Movers. Apart from all the latest equipment and skills, 3 Movers has the required permits and licenses to move your belongings across the state and national borders. We also take extreme care of your goods, and damages are very rare, but just in case you get damaged by chance, our insurance has your back. All your goods are eligible for this insurance once you choose the 3 Movers to serve you. Although local moving does not require any kind of permits or any kind of custom officers, but still, moving even to a local destination will require a professional, as you have to carry some fragile objects and objects made of very sensitive material. We take not only extreme care of goods, but also ensure you get your goods delivered to your destination on the same day without any damage or breakage. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Laie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.